Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you new stuff. In fact, I'm not teaching you, I'm learning. I'm studying with you a software engineer. So here I am willing to learn new things with you, which are the first is the FDD diagram and also the business process model, then also which is the business process model is the activities diagram and other diagram that we need to know, that we need to understand in software engineering. So first, before you do anything today, first I am first the first diagram you have to understand. It's FDD diagram, which is a functional decomposition diagram. This diagram help you to understand how you can write the activity diagram and other diagrams. So FD diagram, functional decomposition, we decompose, we break down each and every functions that will happen in the case study. First, the document has 14 pages, has in questions and also the and case studies. First, the first thing we'll read the case one, and also we find the functions. How we can find the function? First, we'll look for what is doing this is a verb. We'll look for a verb. So in FDD diagram, we'll look for a verb. So how we can look the verb? The verb is what is an action word. It's an action word. So okay, this is how we can look here, and then okay, let's start it together. Then the case one is say the green leaf agriculture business. What is the green leaf agriculture business? Is a G-Lab. Then the G-Lab is drawing an agriculture enterprise established by a group of economic conscious farmers who combine a sustainable practice with the cutting-edge agricultural technologies. And then let's say the farm is suited in a fertile plain of the Great Rift Valley, benefiting from the ample sunlight, rich soil, and also the favorable climate for organic vegetable farming. Okay, this is an introduction of the case study. They tell us how the G-Lab to operate this. They tell us it's a G-Lab is a agriculture enterprise established by the group of eco-conscious farming who combine a suitable practice for aging. It's talking about the agriculture. So okay, case study is all about the agriculture. First, what is gonna happen first? Here we have the thing we call then a subheading, which is the pre-harvesting. So and then they continue saying then pre-harvesting will be our first we'll use it our first thing in our system. So and here we will say now now pre-harvesting. So in the pre-harvesting stage, we are looking at the verb. What is actually happening in that paragraph of the pre-harvesting? So the agriculture engineering perform a soil analysis and monitor a plant's growth to determine when the crops are ready to be harvested. Once the crops are confirmed ready, prior to harvesting, certified the order from a government agencies and construct the organic certificate body conducts a field assessment they follow the internally organization farming standards to ensure the product meet the specific requirements. Specifically, they inspect the crop for for any prohibited chemical or pets. Okay, these inspections are carried out per slot or on the farm. So first, now we are reading again. First, we are reading to understand what the paragraph is all about. What, and number two, when we are reading again, now we are searching the actions, we are searching the verb, what is actually happening. So now, okay, first we're doing a FDD diagram. Say now, first I'm gonna search for verbs. The agriculture engineering perform, which this performing a soil analysis and monitor plants drought to determine when the crops are ready to be harvested. Once the crops are confirmed ready, the premier harvests a certified order from the government agencies or the construct organization certified the body to conduct the field assignments. So now they conduct the field assignment. They follow the internally organized farming standards to ensure they produce meet standard specific requirement. Especially, okay, they inspect the crops. What they do now, they inspect what the crops, okay, for a prohibited chemical or pests. These inspections are carried out per slots on the farming. So in the pre-harvesting, we find it's four things. First, the person who performed the soil analyzing, which we find that the person, this is a person who is a agriculture engineering, is the one that trigger the system, which is perform the analysis and monitor plants. Okay, so then is to determine the crops are ready to be harvested. If they are ready to be harvested, then again they prima to harvesting. So if who the other person is a certified order, government agency, or a constant organic certified bodies, they conduct a field assignment. This is what they do. They conduct the field assignment. The following internally organized farmer study ensure they make sure that whatever they harvest, it meets the standard, a market standard requirement. Okay, especially then they inspect the crop. Especially they do what? They inspect these people. They do they inspect the crops. Which assignment they do? They inspect the crops for any prohibited chemical and pests. The inspection are carried out per slot on the farm. So I will write the FDD diagram. So the FDD diagram in this. First, we'll draw a FDD diagram here on the top. So I will show you. The first thing you have to consider. Okay, first let me remove all this thing. Okay. Alright, and then the first thing you have to consider here, this one, it is a function. What is then the big function? This is the big function that needed to be decomposed, that needed to be break down into smaller pieces. How? The one, this is a pre-harvesting. We put here a pre-harvesting here. We say pre what's in harvesting. Harvesting. So okay, on the top we find this is the pre-harvesting. This is the big functions. Okay, harvesting. I can say pre-harvesting system, but like I will say pre-harvesting. And then number 2, we will move to this. We break down to the smaller pieces. What is happening? The first verb to be found, they say they perform a soil analysis. This one, okay, I'll put here. Make sure the office reader is connected to the box, and then also make here. We'll say okay before, then we'll say okay. Alright, and then okay, we put here, they say they perform what? Alright, and then they say perform a soil analysis. What they do the next step, what they do the next thing they do, what the second verb they do, they what? They monitor plant draw. So what they do now, they monitor plant draw. Okay, and then they monitor plant draw. Okay, this they do the monitor plant draw. This is our second thing, which is the monitor plant draw. Okay, what next then? To determine when the crops are ready to harvest. Once the crops are confirmed ready prior to harvested, then they say this is a person who do the who conducts the field assignment. Certified body conducts assignment. So this is the thing that I'm looking for. The thing. Okay. Alright, so okay. And then they conduct the field assignment. Alright, the thing one. And then the field assignment. Okay, let's put here. Put here. They conduct the field assignment. They conduct the field assignment. So they follow the internally organic farming standard to ensure the products meet a marketing standard. Especially they inspect crops. So these people who are certified orders from the governments, these are agencies. They conduct the assignment. How they conduct the assignment? They inspect crops. They inspect the trucks. So okay, this is very important to know. Okay, how they conduct this assignment? How do they conduct this assignment? Okay, here we put here and here. So okay, this is how they do things. Okay, control. Okay, all right, this is what they do. So this is how we write the FDD diagram. FDD diagram. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to find more lessons on how you can write the FDD diagram I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time to another tutorial. With another tutorial, I'm willing to teach you another diagrams. Thank you for watching.